Thank you, my love. I love you. Skin prep, check. Now let's do our face. Let me just do the eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Yes. Revolution palette. I got it from Take a Lot. And then I'm just going to use this as my transition shade. This brown is not really popping, so I'll add a little bit of this one right here. Yep, this is the transition I want to see. Let's do the other eye. We'll come back and finish up. And now I'm gonna use this blue for the outer corners. Let me use my finger. I need brushes, you know. I just know that I need brushes. And then kind of smoke it and smudge it like that. For the inner corners, I'm going to use the pink. And I'll use my fingers too. Did a little bit high because my eyes are hooded, so it was not showing up. So now for the most exciting part, I'm going to use either this glitter, this one, or this pink one. I think the pink one will work better. And just line it up. You'll see. Same brush I used for concealer, just to have a little bit more grip. I'll just like pick this. It looks like a loose glitter, so I'm not going to take a lot. I'm just going to build it up as I go. Yes. Yes, Auntie. This was originally a makeup tutorial, but now, because our eyes took longer, I think I'm just going to speed up the makeup process and show you how these eyes turn out. Ooh, that's a lot of product. Yeah, powder contour. So this is how I scalp. And with the powder contour, I like to bring it a little bit on top of my brows like this. Like right on top of my brow here. And sway it all over. So I'm leaving this part alone, but blend it. Come on. Oh, I'm right beside. Final look. Please rate my eyeshadow and let me know in the comments.